Good morning, students. This is your moral science class, and I am going to deal with chapter 9. They asked why. Students, do you know who are inventors? Let me explain to you. An inventor is a person who creates a new method, form, device, or other useful means that becomes known as an invention. Students, I hope now you have understood who are inventors. Can I ask you one more question? If inventors have not created, then how different our life will be? Would we have trains, phones, medicines, mobile phones, TV, bulb, and electricity? No, we don't. Now, I am going to explain about few people who observed the world around them and thought of new ideas, and they never stopped learning and experimenting. Students, do you know why does an apple fall down from the tree to the ground? Why does the earth, the moon and the other planets move around the sun without falling down? The answer is gravitational force. And Isaac Newton found out this and came up with Newton's laws. A countrywoman told to Edward Jenner that those who got cowpox will not get smallpox. He wondered why and tried to find out if it was true. He took the cowpox germs from a cow and mixed them in a human being's blood. Then he put back the smallpox germs in the same person. The man did not get smallpox. Albert Einstein's father gave him a compass. Then he asked to his father, "Why does the needle point only in one direction?" "The earth has properties like a magnet that pull the needle in one direction," his father explained. Later, Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Once, James Watt was as a young boy was sitting by the fireplace in his grandmother's kitchen. He saw the steam rising from a tea kettle. He asked the question, "What's in the kettle? Why does the lid shake?" His grandmother replied, "It's steam." Again he asked, "But how did it get under the lid?" Then he thought, if it can move the lid, so it can be used to move even bigger things, and discovered the steam engine. Benjamin Franklin was curious about things and how they worked. He always tried to find ways to make them work better. Benjamin could not see things far away and needed glasses for read as well he can see far away. He cut two pairs of spectacles into two halves and fixed half of each lens in a single frame. They are called bifocals nowadays. Students, do you know about Bill Gates? Bill Gates believed the people should keep learning new things always. He says we should never say I don't know. Bill Gates company Microsoft has become successful Because he believed in learning continuously, he encouraged the people to ask the question why. So, students, I hope you understand the chapter they asked why. Once again, you read the chapter and try to find out the question answer. Now, think a little. Throughout history, people have asked why and invented ways and means to make life comfortable and easy. Do you know some of the greatest inventors were once children like you? Don't just study to get a good grade or please your parents and teachers. Try to understand what are you learning. When you are curious about your subject, you look for an answer. This makes you to do best and concentrate. Then enjoy your learning. Your classroom is your world. Every year you are learning something new. When you go to college, you will continue to learn. Don't even stop learning. Instead of saying I can't, say to yourself I can try. When you learn, you become alert. You understand new facts. You ask the right questions. Then you explore and invent something new. How to keep learning? Always ask questions to your parents, to your teachers, your elder brother or sister, even small one also. You can see the TV from there, news. If you can watch the news, you can learn so many things. Read books. You have library in your school. You can take the books from library and read. Always read the books. You can learn new things. Read a newspaper, visit a museum, travel. When you will travel to new places, you will learn many things from there. Take up a new hobby. Learn from your elders and try to do something always new. So, students, this is your Phillips. Inventors never stop learning. Inventors are creative people. Inventors ask the right questions. This question answers once you're trying to find out and I will give you in group. Do it now. For the statements given below, write a why question. Then discuss the question in class. Now you are not in the class. You can discuss with your parents, your brother, your sister. This is the example. Statement. Imagine if toys could talk. Question. Why can't toys talk? Discuss about it. Again there is a statement. The water in the swimming pool looks blue in color. Why the water in the swimming pool looks blue in color? These all do by your own self. Question number 2 and 3. Do by your own self. This is the quotation. An invention has to make sense in the world it finishes in, not in the world it started. Complete this chapter. Till then, goodbye.